So I've had some requests for video, so here's a quick guided tour of what I do and don't like about my video game cabinet so far. Overall, happy, very happy. Things I've got to do still on the side here. I've got to, this is how you access the inside to get into the monitor. I've got to make some speaker holes to get the sound through, although surprisingly it sounds really good even without the sound holes. So we'll see what happens with that. I might get lazy and leave that alone for a while. I think I got to drill some new holes. This is where the puck is for the volume control. You can get inside. This gives me access to stuff that's really dark so you can't see it, but if I need to get to the yeah, you can't see it. Anyway, if I need to get access in there to the Zeb's controller for the plunger or the flippers for some reason, I can get it that way. I can also adjust the monitor. Down here, that's the beastie that does all the work. It's not an unpowerful computer. I love this power bar. This is a lot of fun. So I've got the CPU, monitor 1, monitor 2, and the speakers. I have extra plugs for more access and more goodies if I want to add in the future. This is the reset button. It's wired. You can see the wire coming right out there from the box. Anyway, it's handy for starting things up, shutting things down. It gives me that arcade game feel that I like. Yeah, it's not much of a video. Sorry about this part, folks. Just a moment. Yeah, okay. So let me show you the rest. Wow, that was really awful. Sorry about that. Here's some of my not so great cutting on the back. You can see it's kind of uneven, but you know what? It holds the monitor in. It does an okay job. Better than the gap I've got on either side of the monitor right now. That's a huge gap. The whole thing wobbles. I'm thinking I'm gonna make some sort of brace that goes into the sides underneath it. We'll have to see what's going on there. This little puck is the volume control, so I can adjust the volume. I've got drink holders. You can see the plunger, really nice and smooth, but not hooked up right now. The sensor part actually rubs against one of the supports underneath this bracket. You can see I've got the issue solved with the playfield. The vinyl feels really nice on the hands. I've got my MagnaSave button on the side. I kept the blue and black theme to match the rest of the cabinet. That's pretty sweet. Also, this thing acts as a drink holder and also locks it in place. Got 2 bolts. So same thing on the other side, and that's just a hinge under there. So this I think is pretty clever. It lets me just do 2 quick bolts on each side, and then I can unplug the controls, and the controls give me the ability to take this off, do work on it, get it out the door. Right now it won't fit. Pinball games, let's do a quick